Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Attorney Immigration Lawyer. My name is Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. Today's episode, sasagutin natin ang email ng isa nating kababayan from the Philippines. Sumulat siya tungkol sa Humanitarian Reinstatement. But before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. I'm licensed in New York, based here in Texas. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 10 years. And today's episode po, email ni Mr. Richard B. ay tungkol sa kanyang father, U.S. citizen father petitioner who passed away before the immigrant visa petition is approved. Before that, bumati muna tayo. Binabati natin yung mga kababayan natin, yung mga Pinays from Houston, and yung mga nasa New York, from Queens, from Miami, Florida, meron din tayong mga viewers. Kamusta po kayo? May dalawang improvements pala tayo today. May mic na ako and may ilaw na ako. So I'm happy about that. All right, let's get started. Basahin ko ang email ni Mr. Richard B. Okay? Dear attorney, have a nice day. I am Richard B. from the Philippines. I have something to ask you regarding the situation we're facing today. My father was an American citizen. He went there to the United States last 1996. He started work in Alaska. After several years, he was transferred to California. Unfortunately, he died due to heater poisoning in 2004. Okay, so hindi na natin pag-usapan yung information dun sa pagpanaw niya. Ito ang tanong niya sa immigration. Can we still continue this petition although he's already dead? Please help us. We don't know what to do. Pagbalik po natin, pag-usapan natin ang pwedeng maging relief na humanitarian reinstatement. Okay, so pumanaw ang father, U.S. citizen father petitioner ni Mr. Richard B. Back in 2004, so medyo matagal na. And we're not sure kung na-file yung petition or na-approve ang petition. So pag-usapan natin kung pwede ba itong humanitarian reinstatement. So ang general rule, when the petitioner dies, the petition is dead, is terminated. So malungkot yun kasi lalo na tayong mga Filipino, ang tagal ng waiting time para dun sa mga nag-overage na mga anak o mga anak na nag-asawa, ang tagal ng waiting time. So maraming situation na ang petitioner ay namatay and then na-terminate na yung petition. So in 2009, nagkaroon ng humanitarian reinstatement. Para magkaroon ng humanitarian reinstatement, tatlong requirements. Number one, the petitioner was present in the US when he passed away. Number two, yung petition was approved at the time of death of the petitioner. So dapat na-approve na bago pa namatay yung petitioner. Ang pangatlo, dapat may qualifying substitute sponsor. So ang qualifying substitute sponsor, pipirma siya ng affidavit of support, di bali siya ang magtutuloy ng petisyon. Pero hindi lahat ay qualified as substitute sponsor. So when we come back, we're gonna talk about who are qualified to be substitute sponsor. Okay, so para makapag-file ng humanitarian reinstatement, dapat nating ma-establish itong tatlong requirements, ma-satisfy natin. Number one is merong petition na na-file at na-approve ito before the death of the petitioner. Pangalawa ay ang petitioner ay nasa US when he passed away. At ang pangatlo ay mayroong qualifying substitute sponsor. So sino ba ang pwedeng maging qualifying substitute sponsor? Siya, di ba magtutuloy ng petisyon? Mayroong tinatawag na joint sponsor. Yung joint sponsor, hindi kailangan related, pero yung substitute sponsor, kailangan related siya. Okay. So, substitute sponsor ay dapat US citizen or lawful permanent resident, at least 18 years old. And dapat your spouse, parent, mother-in-law, father-in-law, sibling, child, son, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. So, mga in-laws pwede, grandparent pwede rin, grandchild, apo pwede rin, or legal guardian. So, sila lang yung po pwede maging substitute sponsor. Kung may substitute sponsor and then masatisfy natin yung ibang requirements, then maaari tayong mag-request ng humanitarian reinstatement. Ang humanitarian reinstatement, isang discretionary relief. Meaning, discretion siya. So, desisyon ng USCIS kung i-grant niya ito based dun sa mga factors na actually they itemized it. And we're gonna talk about that when we come back. Titimbangin ng immigration kung dapat bang paboran ang humanitarian reinstatement mo o hindi. And walang particular form sa humanitarian reinstatement, but you have to request it with USCIS. So when we come back, we're going to talk about the factors. Okay, so kung meron kang qualifying substitute sponsor, approve ang petition bago namatay ang petitioner, hindi pa doon nagtatapos. So pag nag-request ka ng humanitarian reinstatement petition, ay doon mo isusulat yung mga dahilan mo kung bakit dapat mag-grant ng USCIS ang request mo. Ang Department of State ay nag-provide ng list of factors to be considered in evaluating request for humanitarian reinstatement. Basahin ko. Say, disruption of an established family unit. So, kung lahat sila ay nasa US na at ikaw lang yung naiwan dito. Hardship to US citizens or lawful permanent residents. Yung mga situation na yung father ay pumanaw, yung mother nandun pa, and of course, napakasakit naman dun sa mother na may iwan yung anak dito dahil ang tagal talaga ng paghihintay sa Pilipinas ng preference categories petition. Another factor, beneficiary is elderly or in poor health. Beneficiary has no home to go to, like yung mga beneficiaries na nandito na sa US for a long time at wala na silang babalikan pa sa Philippines. Undue delay by INS or USCIS in processing petitions and visa. Ang Philippines, napakatagal ng proseso dahil limited ang number ng visa every year at napakaraming nagpipetisyon. So talagang naghihintay tayo ng matagal, lalo na yung mga kapatid ng US citizens and pati na yung mga overage na anak at yung mga anak na may asawa. So factor din yun na kinukonsider nila. Beneficiary has strong family ties in the United States. As I said, kung halos lahat na ng family members nandito, tapos siya na lang naiwan sa Philippines. So itong mga factors na to ay kukonsider ng immigration in determining kung dapat bang i-grant ang humanitarian reinstatement. Dito sa yung sitwasyon, the first thing that we need to know is kung na-file ba yung petition, na-approve ba ito before the passing away of your father. At ang isa pa ay, he passed away in 2004, so medyo matagal na siya. And yun ang isa ko pang nakikita na na maaaring maging issue. I hope nasagot ko ang tanong mo. And para naman po sa iba na may mga questions, immigration questions, mag-email lang po kayo, eboardlaw@gmail.com. Meron kaming Facebook page, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer. And kung nagustuhan niyo yung presentation namin, paki-like lang and please subscribe para sa mga latest immigration updates. Maraming salamat po.